Yeah, so it's another morning, incredible morning to share the word. Now, today, on this plan of preaching the book of Job, not like we said, this whole topic will be on the Lord owes you nothing. We are going to see a man here who did everything right. And finally, the Lord told him, I owe you nothing. Now, in chapter 4, the last time tuliona the man was righteous, tukaona he lost everything. Then we saw some 3 friends of his wenye walikuja na wakashangaa sana in what was happening. Now chapter 4 talks, now one of the friends talks. So remember after you saw walikuja for 7 days, they kept quiet. Then on the 7th day, Job akaongea na tukaona how Job really cursed the day he was born. Now listen to what Eliphaz the Temanite said. Yeah? Then Eliphaz the Temanite answered and said, if one attempts a word with you, will you become weary? But who can withhold himself from speaking? Surely you have instructed many, and you have strengthened weak hands. Your words have upheld him who was stumbling, and you have strengthened the feeble knees. But now it comes upon you, and you are weary. It touches you, and you are troubled. Is not your reverence your confidence, and your integrity and the integrity of your own ways your hope? Sasa ni jamaa anaambia Job ati enyewe because enyewe we saw this man was righteous, so he lived to see the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. Now in this moment of weakness, this Eliphaz is trying to figure out masi wewe, because hata nilikuja kuona, you know, when you are strong, when you are spiritually strong, you can hold other people's hands. And no matter sometimes even your salvation is not just meant for you, it is meant even to shine light on other